Alright, people, my name is Ugochukwu. Today is June 14th, 2021. The guy you're looking at there, do you know who this guy is? This guy is, his name is Adamu Garba. He's the one that came out supporting the ban of Twitter from Nigeria, talking about his own app that that Nigerians should support his own app, that Twitter was trying to destroy Nigeria, talking all kinds of nonsense. You see what happened now? Let me see if I can move this to the reading mode. I don't know where I opened it there. Sorry. That's not what I want to show you. Not a passenger. Yeah, this can be read in the reading mode. Here we go. I'm just gonna show you a little bit test. This is gonna be a short one. See what had happened is in the reading mode here. See the title there? What happened is Google. This guy put his app, right? He wrote an app and put it in Google. Google just Google deleted it. You know, they have this app store. Like when you're looking for an app to do something, you go to Google Play and you download the app from there. He put his whatever he made to replace Twitter. He put it in Google Play Store, and they took it off. They deleted it. Now he can go move it to somewhere. Maybe he can give it to cows, because cows are everywhere in Nigeria, right? He can give it to his cows. That way his cows can deliver it to everybody. Idiots. These people think they're smart. They think they're smart. They're playing with the whole world. Let me read a little bit. He says Adamu Garba's Crowwe, I don't know what that means. Crowwe application has suddenly disappeared from Google Play Store, right? He says the Crowwe app, which has been described as an instant messaging and financial transaction app that comes with a digital wallet that helps to transfer and receive money while chatting, has received worse reviews. Following the announcement of Twitter ban by the federal government of Nigeria, the former presidential candidate presented the Crowwe app as an alternative to microblogging website that can help to grow Nigeria. You see what I'm telling you? They planned this all along. They banned Twitter and they introduced this garbage. This is their cow-based app. Google has taken it off. See, why this story is important. Let me tell you why this story is important. The United States government under President Biden came out and told them to restore Twitter, right? They told them to restore Twitter immediately. I had a video on that. I had a podcast on that. And they still refuse. They still refuse to restore Twitter. And then this man will go to Google App Store and put his garbage. Right? So you want to challenge the Western world, talking about Twitter will not do business in Nigeria. But you want to come to Western world and do business with Western world? Because what is wrong with these Fulani people, man? Basically, they think they are smart. You want to mess with Google. But you are not Google. You want to mess with Twitter, Western-based business. But you want to bring your business to another Western-based company. How is that going to fly? What are they going to do now? Ban Google? Maybe they should ban Google from Nigeria. Because if they ban Google, then they have to ban YouTube. They have to ban Google Search. They have to ban Google, server. They have to ban a lot of things Google do. Google is in all kinds of businesses, man. Google is in charge of, I forgot the name, the audio company. Google is everywhere. So let them ban Google then. Let them go ahead and ban Google. Because this is the language they understand, right? Google is treating them in the language Buhari understands. You banning people, now you are banned. So go ahead and what are you gonna ban now? Maybe you should ban the whole United States from Nigeria. Fulani is Nigeria. You know, the terrorists, man, they think they can threaten people, bring their terrorist-inspired app and put it in Google shop, and Google will leave them alone. This is just beginning. President Biden told them restore Twitter. They refuse. So they have banned them from Google app. Let's see what they do. Google App Store. Let's see what they do next. Can you believe these people, man? You ban American business interests, right? You ban it from Nigeria. They tell you no, restore it. You say no. Now they're going to start banning you. Now maybe they will ban you worldwide now. Maybe they will ban all of you worldwide. What are you going to do about it? You're going to go attack them? If they ban you from America, the whole Nigeria from America, what are you going to do? Attack America? Suppose they ban you from United Kingdom, ban you from Germany, ban you from Republican, what do you call that, Republic of Ireland, ban you from everywhere, from Western world. What are you going to do? You going to go kill everybody, burn everybody like you killing people in Igbo land? Can you believe these people, man? Maybe they should ban, what do you call that, ban Google Play from Nigeria. You know, when are you gonna stop? You ban Twitter. Ban Google Play. See how you're gonna achieve that. Ban Google. Ban America. Ban Germany. Ban everybody. Because you're talking tough. You got that little guns. You got killing unarmed people in the eastern part of Nigeria. You think you... Let's see how this pans out, man. Fulani. We'll see how this pans out. We'll see who's gonna be begging. So they have banned you from Google Play Store. So make your next move. You don't know who you're messing with. You're messing with the Western world. President Biden told you to stop the nonsense. Restore Twitter, and you refuse. Let's see what they're gonna do to you. Let's see, see who will blink first. Yeah, they have taken your app off the market. Let's see where you're gonna go put it. Maybe you go talk to Samsung. Maybe Samsung will put it in their app store. Unbelievable. You wanna ban it, you ban this, you ban that. That's the language you understand, huh? You wanna treat people in the language you understand. You don't know people have their own language. They're going to treat you in the language they understand too. They're going to bring their own language to you. That way you understand the language they understand. You think you are the only one that know how to run your mouth, calling people a dot in a circle. What is the percentage of Fulani people in Nigeria? Only 7%. You want to come and push everybody around. We'll see about that. You messing with the wrong people, man. You could just mess with Igbo people and get away with it, but now you're messing with America. We'll see how you're gonna get away with that. You're messing with white people. We'll see. Even if Britain supports you, Britain cannot be against the rest of the Western world. So we'll see how you get away with this. By the way, the same thing happened here during the Trump's administration. Do you remember Trump was supporting a lot of white supremacist group? And then white supremacist group actually had the gut. They opened their own app, right? Where they were preaching hate. And their app was actually placed in Google Play Store, right? And then they had a website. For you to have a website, you have to have a server. You have to either use somebody's, subscribe to somebody's server, or you get your own server. Those guys had their own server, and the server they subscribed to Amazon server. I think it's called E3 servers. They were using Amazon server, right? And then put their app in Google Play Store. So what had happened when Trump got in trouble? They deleted Trump's account. You remember? His account disappeared from all social media, right? And then what he did, he went to that white supremacist group. I forgot what they called their app. You know what Google did? Google deleted their app from App Store, and then Amazon also deleted the account from their server because the Amazon said they were violating their policy, and Google said they were violating their policy because they were making threats to everybody. And Trump, that was making threats and inciting violence, were trying to use their app. Do you understand? So it happened to American company here in America, to American president here in America. I don't know what Buhari, and he's a Fulani terrorist, think they will get away with this. You understand? They treated white people like this. Deleted their app from Google Play, deleted their account from their server, the server they rented from Amazon. Amazon deleted the account, told them take a hike. I don't know why these people in Nigeria think they will do the same thing and get away with it. So maybe this is the beginning of their downfall. We will see.